Class 10, exercise number 6.4, question number 5. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of the lamp post from the top of 66 meter high apartment are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the lamp post and then the distance between the height of the lamp post and the apartment, the distance between the lamp post and the apartment, height of the lamp post and apartment, and also the distance between the lamp post and the apartment. Let me draw a graph diagram here. See, this is the apartment. So the lamp post, the angle of elevation and depression means the tall one is the lamp post. So this is the horizontal line. Above the horizontal line is the angle of elevation, the top and the bottom. So 60 and 30. So this is 60. And then angle of elevation and depression. Angle of depression is below the horizontal line. So this is 30 degree. Let me take it as A, B, C, D, E. The height of the apartment is 66 meters. It is given. Now we want to find out the height of the tower and the distance between this height of the tower and the apartment, right? Height of the tower and the apartment, distance between this is 66, means this also 66. Then ED is equal to total H minus 66. And then we want to also find the distance between the apartment and the tower. Let me take it as unknown value x. Here BC is x, means then AD is also x. By the transversal condition, this is 30, means then this also 30 degree. Let AB and CE be the height of apartment and lamp post, right? And then that AB is given as 66 meter, and then CD is nothing but 66. AB and also CD is also 66 meter, and CE is equal to height, CE total height of the lamp post H, and ED is H minus 66. H minus 66. Now we take the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, so this is the triangle of ABC. This angle is 30 degree, this is 66, and this is x. Either we can choose ABC or ADC. This triangle also we can choose, no problem for that, right? Then tan theta is equal to, we know the formula ratio, right? Opposite divided by adjacent side. Here theta is nothing but 30 degree, that is tan 30 degree is equal to the opposite side is 66 divided by the adjacent side is x. Tan 30, we know that 1 by root 3 is equal to 66 divided by x. I take this x to another side and root 3 to this side. So 1 into x is x, 66 root 3. Right? Next we take this above the triangle. This triangle is ADE, H minus 66. Right? In triangle ADE, I draw here roughly. This is A, D, E. This angle is 60 degree. This is H minus 66. This is X. Here also we have the same formula. Tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here theta is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to the opposite side is H minus 66 divided by the adjacent side is X. We know that tan 60 value is root 3. H minus 66 divided by x. I take this x to this side. X root 3 is equal to h minus 66. X we have found out that is 66 root 3. In the place of x is 66 root 3 into root 3 is equal to h minus 66. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 66 into 3 is equal to h minus 66. Then the height h is equal to, here 66 into 3 means 3 6 are 18, 8 remainder 1, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, 198. So I take this 66 to another side means plus 66. Multiplication of this is 198 minus 66, take it to another side, we get plus 66. Then h is equal to, add this term, 6 plus 4 is 6 plus 8 is 14, 4 remainder 1, and then 10, 16, 6 remainder 2. The height is equal to 266 meter. Now we want to give the answer for the 3 Roman number. So the height of the lamp post h is equal to 264 meter is the first Roman number, and then second Roman number is the difference between the height of the lamp post and the apartment. The difference between the height of the lamp post and then apartment, that is h minus 66, is the difference between the height of the lamp post. That is h, we know that is 264 minus 66, that is h minus 66 is the answer. Though h is equal to 264 minus 66, this term when we subtract we get 198 meter. So the height difference between the lamp post and the apartment. Then third Roman number is the distance between the lamp post and the apartment. So the distance between the lamp post and the apartment is x. We know that x is equal to 66 into root 3. Here we have root 3 is converted into, the value is given 66 into 1.732. When we multiply this, we get the value as 114.31 meter is the distance between the lamp post and the apartment. Thank you, students.